Yeah, I know. I was about to say.
You know what I mean. I'm talking,
goddamn.
dude. I'm talking about when I was like 6.
I know. I was trying to fight.
I'm talking about when I was 6, dude.
Damn,
Don't
you
twist
became
the
the grandma since you were 6.
Hey, you did it too. You slept at grandma's house too, Matthew. So don't you better be showing your man.
Yeah, but you were the first one.
Oh, well, whatever. So anyway, it really hit me in the feels because I've had like 3 dreams now of just like events with him, like where like he like hosts a party and like the entire oh. Oh, sorry about that, guys. My dad popped in. But like, I just like have dreams where he be, and it's always him hosting a party, and everyone's just having a jolly great time. And then I wake up depressed as shit because I know my grandfather isn't here anymore.
Oh no, I haven't. It was like. It was I was outside and I was playing basketball by myself. That's excited about that forever.
First YouTube video.
I'm playing basketball. What? No, that was like by myself. Like that was also like 4 years ago or some shit like that. So yeah. Anyways, so I was playing basketball and this car pulled up and it looked for me like, I've seen that car. And then my mom walks up and she's like, what's up? I'm back. I'm like, yeah, right here. She's like, oh, really? Okay. And then it was just like, big, like hours upon hours of just spending time doing stuff. And I woke up like, man, this is bullshit.
Man, Nick, that's exactly like how my dreams were with my grandfather. Just like spending time with him, but the other thing is that literally everyone is there. People from New Orleans, people from France, everyone is there. And then I just wake up with like hitting so hard in the feels. Like, well, damn, this is none of that was real. But like, I mean, it just hits me like twice as hard. You know, just like thinking back and like what my grandfather really meant by like, do you really love me, Thomas? Or am I just, you know, am I just granddad? Yeah. So I kind of know how you feel, Nick, but like, I never had anything like traumatizing like that, where someone just tries to fuck with your reality.
I know, it was like, oh, so I'm not actually a person with actual numbers or emotions. That's like this.
Yeah.
More that situation.
Alright, that's too... Yeah. Fuck you, Steve. That needs to be a shirt. F you, Steve. Oh, God.
I need to, like, record myself telling that story so I don't forget.
Yeah.
That was definitely one of the most interesting dreams I've ever had.
Oh, damn it. I did not mean to fall down here. Oh, this doesn't matter. Okay, I'll wait till Matt's back. He's getting dinner. It looked like there was another chute I could fall down as a pumpkin on the roof, but I don't see a way to get back onto the roof as a pumpkin. Like the top of the roof.
I don't know. I don't play this game.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna get off my pumpkin trip. Are you moderating or looking at the chat, Nick?
I'm not. I know, right? I completely agree.
Matt, is there a way for me to get on the roof, the top roof of the building as a pumpkin?
The very top?
Yeah.
No.
Alright, because I swore there was a chute that looked like I could go down as a pumpkin.
The only chute I think you need to go down as the pumpkin is the one where you dropped down and got the jiggy.
Oh, okay.
You did that one already, unless you lied to me. You lied to me, didn't you? God damn it, Thomas.
No, I did that one.
God, Thomas is the Ross of our group.
No, I'm not.
And I'm the Dan Abaddon.
My ass.
No.
It's you.
No, you know what? Actually, you know what? I see that. Because, well, for one, besides you having the hair, Matt, Nick, you are Aaron. So I'm either... No, I'm more of a Barry.
You suck ass. Stop talking. I just don't edit anything. I edited so many videos. You should also be quiet.
Ross, it is then.
I think. You know what? I'm Danny. Nick's Aaron, and Thomas is.
God dang it.
That's disgusting.
No.
No, Holly.
No, I'm not. Oh, no, I'm not.
No, Holly's. I say Ross.
I'm not a bird lover.
No, he's Kevin.
I don't edit!
Oh, damn, he's not really any of them.
Jeez, you guys hate me. Oh, God. Whoa, this is cool. Oh, yeah, these are the last notes. Thank God. I like this level, but this level is kind of a pain. I like it, though. Alright.
Wait, don't jump off.
I'm not. I'm missing how many jiggies? I'm missing 2, I think. Yep.
I think you're right next to one.
Yep. That's cool. Alright, where's the last jiggy, Matt?
I'm not sure what you have. Press start. Do you have a jiggy list?
I don't
Can't
think
remember
so.
if that's this one or Tui.
You know what? Here, let me pull up. I'll just Google Mad Monster Mansion then.
What compelled them to call music notes jiggies?
They did. The jiggies are the jigsaw pieces.
Jigsaw puzzle. Okay, I got it.
Thomas, I have it right here, you know.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Bleach episode 117.
Okay, I know exactly.
Yeah, I've been watching Bleach like completely religiously.
Too long. I haven't watched that in so long.
But I mean, Nick, I haven't watched all 117 episodes because there are filler arcs, literally seasons of filler.
Dude, my dad almost owns like every Bleach TV that's out right now.
I swear, man, all my friends' dads are awesome.
My dad watched Attack on Titan, so it's not that great.
No, but I mean, like, your dads, like, have interests with you. My dad just, I think he hates me. I don't know.
He walks in the room, shut the fuck up, faggot.
He walks in the room, just like slowly sighs and shakes his head to keep
No.
walking.
You fucking suck.
My dad wouldn't even do that. He'd look at me and not even give a shit. That's my dad. He doesn't even give a shit. Alright. Alright, well, Matt, do you have the list pulled up?
Yes, I think I already know where it is. Look to the right.
Oh, well, I've already been looking around.
Asian dads suck. Asian moms are cool.
Okay, keep turning. Look on the other side of the man.
Oh, the cellar.
No, you already got that.
Oh, what about the password thing?
You did that. I was gonna say, there's a swamp area. Did you go to that yet? It's right over there, like behind where that shed is.
Yeah, I got the jiggy down there as the pumpkin.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Okay, got the swamp.
Did I go in that house? Can I go in that house as a pumpkin?
Oh, did you copy the music that Masterhead was playing?
Yes.
Okay. You shat in all the potted plants, right?
Uh-huh.
You just got the top of the church tower.
Yes.
You got the jiggy from Napper inside the mansion.
Yes.
Did you go down the toilet as the pumpkin?
No, I did not.
That's it then.
Alright.
While you're doing that, you better get the last honeycomb page.
Okay. Oh, that hurt me? That's stupid.
Ball damage in this game is weird. It's worse in 2E.
Oh.
Seems like you fall 2 feet and take damage.
Because, I mean, like, I did the hover and I wasn't that high up. Alright, well, anyway. Oh. That was weird.
Yeah.
And I'm just getting, like, the honeycombs for completion now, right?
Yeah.
Oh, well. And then we lowered the water level for Rusty Bucket Bay. I remember that.
Yep. You are gonna have one hell of a time with that.
Oh, fun.
I look forward to it immensely.
Because that's what friends are for. Alright.
Hardest world in the game.
Alright. Oh, crud.
I don't know how far you are into uploading it. Did you upload Banjo today?
Yeah. I just realized something.
Yeah.
I don't think I broke the window. Where the toilet is. I'm pretty sure I didn't.
Make sure anyways.
I'm gonna do that before I come up here so I don't waste time. Let's see. Yep, I'm pretty sure it's this one.
Yep.
Whoa, I like glitch around it.
The pumpkin is so cute.
It is. Look how I glitch around the physics there.
Glitch around the physics, Thomas.
Glitch the system. So what would be the next world? Is Rusty Bucket the final world?
No.
Oh.
It's the one right after this one.
Oh, that's right, Click Cluck Wood. And I'm just curious about that. Every time I enter the world, it's a different season, or do I change the seasons in the world?
You change them in the world.
That's cool.
When you enter the level, it brings you to a hub that has 4 doorways.
That's cool.
But you have to do them in order. Like, you go into spring, then in spring you find a summer switch, and when you press it, you unlock summer. In summer, you find autumn, and so on.
That's pretty damn cool.
It's called fall.
It's called autumn. Exact shit. You don't know.
Check your privileges.
Alright, I'm just gonna make sure this is the bathroom. And I'm pretty... Yep, that's the bathroom.
Yep.
Hi-ho, hi-ho. It's off the flush I go. Hey Matt, can you check the chat for me?
Oh yeah, I can do that one time.
Totes McScroats.
What was the name?
What you gotta ask me now, Mr. I don't. What?
What?
What? What happened? Did I lose a token?
You suck. What is this?
Is that like a completely random event?
Yeah, it's really weird, too.
Yes!
Like, I've only seen it once. I'm so happy you ran into it during this playthrough.
Oh, I'm so happy too. And you're telling me, and apparently that's a power up in Tui.
Oh yeah, there's a whole level based around it, and it's annoying as hell.
Oh, fun. But that's hilarious. Did you see that, Nick?
Yeah.
I accidentally got turned into a washing machine.
Kazooie is like the greatest, one of the greatest games of all time.
Alright.
Transformations
I'm
there.
gonna end it all.
Why?
Happy landings, little one. Oh, God.
Yep, Gruntilda's toilet.
Oh.
Of all the toilets that had to be hers, and now you're literally walking through shit.
Oh. I can't believe you went in there. Now wash your hands. Oh, well.
He says filthy bear.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh. That's nasty. Bam 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 bam. Yep. Well, that's okay because we got it.
Yeah, you did get everything actually.
And I'm just gonna leave the level as a pumpkin to double check the water level.
Alright, hey, actually, well, you stay a pumpkin as you leave, because there's a secret I want you to go for. That's, you get as a pumpkin.
Wait, where that even became a monster?
Yeah, it's 1 in a million luck chance.
Why was
Nothing.
Absolutely.
It's just cool.
It's a power up in Tui, in sequel. Alright, let's see. Yep, I think I hit the switch. And then again, I have to be a pumpkin to leave.
How many Banjo Kazooie games they made into it?
2.
5.
Oh yeah, that's right, Grunty's Revenge. Alright, where do I go now, Matt?
Just leave the area.
Where was the area I need to be at the pumpkin?
Same people that made
You're on this